To put one of my little line punch proven winners here. This is going to be transplanted. I'm going to break this up into two, although I don't think I can physically do it. I've tried. Man, that's really tough to get in there, so I'm going to ask to have some help with that. But that will go in the hole that is going to be there soon. Now this is going to be split up, and it's going to come down here towards the area of where the shade really starts. I have the 5 heucheras that are still sitting. I definitely like the color contrast here. So that hosta will be split into 2, and I'm going to put it in the back towards that center heuchera. So I'll put 2 here, and then these heucheras will kind of line up down and cascade down this hill a little bit. I have to read on those a little bit more as to the spacing, but I really like the contrast, and this will be the beginning to the shade garden that I have. Today I'm doing some transplanting, so I need to get my biotone starter out. I'm going to do a little bit of the compost mixed in with the 3-in-1 loam to give my heucheras a great start. It is mid-August, so I'm putting them in the ground today. So this is what I'm going to start with. Okay, so what we're looking at here is the part of the shade garden. And last night, Brant helped me divide up this hosta, this big hosta, into 2. And I'm going to place them both here. I have cornflower above here with some different ground cover, which I don't know what that is, and some nice rocks. But with this nice green color and the heuchera, this is a great start. Now, I don't know where I'm going to put the heuchera. You're going to see me map that out today, but these are definitely going here. And hopefully next spring we can get some more hostas up in along this way. And this is right next to the driveway. Okay, so I've got to dig a few holes.
Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna cry every tear I got. Put on a dress, be a stranger's dream. Lock up this heart of mine, wanna wear it on my sleeve. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go. Find someone new, and I wish it wasn't blood. My mind's made up in 2. What's killing me the most is knowing 2 things can be true. Wanna throw away your vanity. Wanna wear it to sleep tonight. Wanna wipe our slate clean. Wanna pick this thing up right where we left off. Wanna block your number, take one last time, make it another. Wish I was one or the other. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go. Find someone new, and I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in 2. What's killing me the most is knowing 2 things can be true.
It looks way better in person. But I think I like where everything is right now. But I'm being mindful. Next year I'm going to plant more hostas here. So I might have to take out the heuchera. For now, I think that's where I'm going to plant them. Yep. Okay. So that's what it looks like before. And maybe I will change my mind. We'll see.
If it's black, it's white. If it's wrong, it's right. Soon as I pick one, I switch sides. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Two things can be true. Two things can be true.
All right, let's take a look and see what we did. So coming down the shade garden here, here is the full scope. 5 heuchera and 2 hostas. The heuchera I purchased this year. They are proven winners. And the hosta came from just up this way by one of those hummingbird feeders, and my husband and I split those up yesterday, and we transplanted them here. So this is my plan for this year. This came out wonderfully, and if anything, I'll buy more heuchera next year to keep going along this way. Actually, let me back up so I can give you a greater picture. Actually, now that I see these 2 heuchera are planted a little bit closer together, I might do something about that next year. I'm really not sure. We'll see how things go, but I plan on putting in a hosta right above it. Maybe another hosta here and here, and then more heuchera and sedum. I think some nice chartreuse sedum. So that's going to be the plan, and we have a lot to do in our shade garden. So here's from a different angle. Yep, that purple really pops. It looks very nice. Okay, that's it for now. right, I just planted the Proven Winners Little Lime Punch here at my rock garden, as I call it. This will get about 4 to 6 hours of sunlight, and I think it will do quite well there. I'm hoping. We'll check on it. It's the, the shade garden is behind it, so I think it'll do pretty well here. We'll keep an eye on it. I have 2 more on the western side of the house that will get all day sun, probably 10 plus hours. So we'll look at this guy, and then today, just earlier this morning, I did come down and plant the 5 heuchera and the 2 right here, these 2 hosta. They were one where that little lime punch was that we just looked at, and I put the little lime punch in the hole where those were. So this is what we're looking at. It looks very nice, especially from the window in the dining room. So that's fun. And that's it for today.